This is from Koala Gatherer. One singular game causes entire system to experience audio stutter. Okay. I'm a recent PC builder and these are my specs. Hey, like a person with a plan. Okay, now let's see what he got. Let's see what he's working with. Okay, he has a Dark Rock Pro. I like this cooler. It's very pretty. 13600K, and then he has a Tomahawk, a 17H, LGA 1700, full-size ATX motherboard, and then he has 32 gigs of RAM, 2TB NVMe, 6700 XT, Lianli land cooled 216 mid tower case, as well as an 850 Nova. Got it in Windows 11. Cool. I started running to a weird issue last night. My brother wanted me to try out Overwatch 2, so I downloaded it. I started up the game and started to get extremely glitchy audio, but this is the only game that it happens with. Every other game in my catalog runs fine with no stuttering, audibly or visually. The funny thing is this too, once I open up Overwatch 2 and minimize it, all other system audio becomes glitchy. Okay, YouTube videos, songs on Spotify, and even Windows sound tests start to stutter. Then when I close the game, everything goes back to normal. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, just making sure it doesn't need an update. Okay, once I open up Overwatch 2 and minimize it, all other system audio becomes glitchy. YouTube videos, songs on Spotify, and even Windows sound tests start to stutter. Then when I close the game, everything goes back to normal like it never happened. I'm using a Realtek USB 2.0 driver with a headset that is plugged into my 3.5mm ports. I've tried both front and back panel ports. I've even connected my AirPods to my PC via Bluetooth and started the game with zero issues. Okay, so he says whenever he switches to Bluetooth, he doesn't have the problem. My question is this a driver issue? I disable all other audio drivers that I do not use, uninstalled the ones I do not use, and reinstalled them, etc. I tried everything that I've seen on Overwatch/Blizzard forums and none of it has worked. Does anyone have any suggestions? Of course. I even connected my AirPods to my PC via Bluetooth and started the game up with zero issues. Okay, we just want to clarify that when you had the AirPods in, you had no issues, correct? Do we have a, we still have a, yeah, we do. All right, so let me actually start this up because we're gonna have to look in here to see if there's a setting that they can use. So let's go back to it while that's loading. Oh no, it already took my screen. I guess, so much for that. So let's switch it over here once it actually finishes getting me into the game. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at this. So this is going to be in your menu and then options. So menu options, and then it's going to be under the sound and the playback devices. So I'm thinking that maybe he needs to change his playback devices to make it what it needs to be. So basically, I think he needs to change his playback devices and take it off of default and see if that makes a difference. So that's what I was thinking of. So it'll be, what did we say? Menu options and then sound playback devices. All right, let me go back here, and here, we'll just switch back to chat. I know you can still hear the sound. I'm gonna get rid of it here in a second, but I just want to, because we may have to go back. So let me just go ahead and type it. Menu, options, sound, then change the default device, change the output device from default to your USB 2.0 headset to see if that makes a difference. Also, try to run Overwatch in what's it called? In windowed mode to see if that makes a difference as well. Okay, let me close Overwatch. Okay. I like this. I like being able to switch. I think that once I get them all set up, I'm essentially going to be able to switch to every game that somebody's having. So like if they're having an issue with a particular game that I don't have, or sorry, a particular game, I can basically press a button, switch to that game, load it up, look at the settings, and then we can troubleshoot. As well as if they're having issues with a particular operating system, I want to be able to switch to that operating system, look it up, and be able to troubleshoot. So that's the reason why I'm not going to be working Saturday and Sunday, because I got to get all that stuff set up. So that'll be a little bit easier for me to actually show people instead of me just saying what to do. Also try to run Overwatch in windowed mode to see if that makes a difference as well. There's a reason why we do this. There used to be a bug in Overwatch, original Overwatch, that essentially was if you had more than one monitor, then it starts to have an issue, especially if you go full screen. If you switch it to windowed mode, then it changes things. So that's the reason why we say that. There's some laggy things there with Overwatch and windowed mode. So if its headset is having an issue with the audio going in and out and messing up and becoming glitchy when Overwatch 2 is playing, that I just want to see if it's also doing the exact same thing in windowed mode, as well as changing it to the default device to see if that makes a difference. Okay, so that's the way we play that one.